it's Kathy with Just Out and About. We are staying at Universal Orlando's Endless Summer Resort, and this is Dockside Inn and Suites. We have stayed at Surfside, but this is our first time staying at Dockside, and we thought we'd bring give you a room tour of the room we got. This is just a standard view room, but this is the, I guess you would call it the 1 bedroom, or maybe this is the 2 bedroom. I'll put a correction here of whichever it is. But this is with the separate bedroom from the main room. So come on, let's take a tour. Okay, so coming in the door, you've got your mirror, and look, there is a green surfboard, and if I'm not mistaken, I think Surfside had a blue one, but pretty similar to the room at Surfside, the way it's laid out. There's your remote. I don't know if this opens or not. I don't think it does. It may. But you do have some charging stations there, a clock, your hand sanitizer. Yeah, this is pretty much the same. You got some hooks there to hang some things. And you got, looks like 3 drawers. There, and then your window. Nothing really on this side of the bed, and like I said, this was just a standard view, so we got a nice view of the parking lot and the road out there. But look, across the road there's an IHOP. Alright, there is your thermostat, and similar to the other room, you've got your sort of picnic table here, a shelf, a microwave. Actually, you do. I didn't think it came. You had a coffee maker, but it does. Oh, you got a drawer there with some stuff, and your fridge. Your basic fridge. Okay, one thing that we wanted to show you, which is kind of neat, I guess, but it could be a kind of a pain too. We came in and flipped on all the lights, couldn't get them to work, so we figured out there's this thing beside the door where you put your key card in, and you can turn the lights on, but to keep the lights on, you have to keep your key card in there, else the lights will just turn off after a certain amount of time. So thought that was pretty neat. Then you come in here, hey there, and you've got your bathroom, toilet, shower, got your curved curtain rod, which gives you a little bit more room in the shower, and it does have a tub, which I do appreciate that tub on long park days. Pretty colors, pretty flooring. I do like the flooring here. Another thing too I do like is where they have storage under the bed. It looks like you can store your luggage under there. So that's pretty neat. And this is the bedroom that is off to itself. So let's see that. Okay, this is the other bedroom, and it's just your bed, a shelf for a nightstand, which, as I recall, that was the same that was in the other one. And if you do have two individuals, this is something I do like. if you have two people in here sleeping, you've got two separate plug-ins for each person. I do like that. But here again, you've got your TV and you've got some hangers there. Okay, so here's your closet. And you've got a luggage rack, ironing board, iron, some hangers, a shelf up there. So it's a pretty neat little room. This is, I'm glad they did it like this because I like it when they put your sink outside of the bathroom. That way somebody can be taking a shower or using the restroom and somebody else out here can be getting ready. Okay, that's about it for our room tour. I'm assuming now Dawn had did one of just a standard room. So if you wanted to see what a standard room, just imagine this theming in that room, and I'll link that up there so you can see that. But so far so good. Like I said, we have stayed in the Surfside Inn and Suites room like this, and we really enjoyed our time there. So we're looking forward to another week. Make sure you follow along because we will have probably a resort tour also. We did one of Surfside and we'll do one here for you and maybe tell you some of the differences that we're seeing of this resort compared to that one. Okay guys, see you on the next one.